right, I've actually prepared a list of Mendo Pop songs to perform, and I hope you should have a wonderful evening today, and also have a wonderful week ahead. Yeah. So the first song that I'll be performing today, right, is actually a Mendo Pop hit song. I'm sure many of you will be very familiar with this song. It's actually called 我是一只小小鸟. So why I really love this song is because this song actually depicts someone like a bird flying freely in the sky and chasing for his dreams. So this song serves to be a wish for everyone who is here, yeah, to actually freely chase your dreams and lead a successful life lah. Yeah. So here's bringing this song called 我是一只小小鸟. Hope all of you love it. 有时候我觉得自己像一只小小鸟，想要飞，却怎么样也飞不高。当我成功栖上枝头，却成为猎人的目标。我飞上了青天，才发现自己从此无依无靠。每次当我夜深人静的时候，我总是睡不着。我怀疑是不是只有我的明天没有变得更好？未来会怎样？究竟有谁会知道？幸福是否只是一种传说？我永远都找不到。我是一只小小小小鸟，想要飞呀飞，却飞呀飞不高。我寻寻觅觅，寻寻觅觅一个温暖的怀抱，这样的要求算不算太高？我是一只小小小小鸟，想要飞呀飞，却飞呀飞不高。我寻寻觅觅，寻寻觅觅一个温暖的怀抱，这样的要求算不算太高？If you know how to sing this song, do feel free to sing along as well. 如果你们会唱这首歌的话，可以跟着一起唱哦。Wishing everyone a very happy Mother's Day once again. 所有知道我的名字的人啊，你们好不好？世界那么小，我们注定无处可逃。当你尝尽人情冷暖，当你决定为了你的理想燃烧，生活的压力和生命的尊严，哪一个重要？我是一只小小小小鸟，想要飞呀飞，却飞呀飞不高。我寻寻觅觅，寻寻觅觅一个温暖的怀抱，这样的要求算不算太高？我是一只小小小小鸟，想要飞呀飞，却飞呀飞不高。我寻寻觅觅，寻寻觅觅一个温暖的怀抱，这样的要求算不算太高？我是一只小小小小鸟，想要飞呀飞，却飞呀飞不高。我寻寻觅觅，寻寻觅觅 温暖的怀抱，这样的要求算不算高？这样的要求算不算？